You can get more impressive results out of the sweep modifier by using a custom cross-sectional profile. I've provided a sample file called profiles.max that contains some common profiles for you to use. Let's make a chair rail using a custom profile. I'll select the base molding, zoom out, and copy it up. I'll make a unique object called chair rail. The chair rail also needs to have a break here, so we're saving a little time by copying up the base. I'll use a custom section. You can either pick that spline on the screen, select it by name, or merge it in from a file. Before you merge, you have to select what you're going to do with it down here. It's usually best to instance the custom section. That way, once you bring it in, you can make changes to the instance that will affect the swept object. I'll merge it from a file and select the Profiles sample file. Within that file, I'll select the chair rail profile, and it appears right here. The first thing I notice is that it's rotated. Let's change the angle, and it looks like we need to set it at 90 degrees. Then we can change the alignment here. And that looks good. I'll turn off edged faces just by deselecting it. It looks like we might need to pull it back a little bit because it's interfering with the door frame. I'll go down to the line to the vertex level and pull these vertices back a little bit. I'll return to the segment level to pass that selection up the stack, go back up to the top of the stack, and there we have an attractive looking chair rail. Now I'll go zoom out, and you might just notice that there's an object here, right here. That's the actual profile. I'll zoom in close, and you can see what it looks like. Now this is fairly detailed, so it's adding a lot of extra polygons to that chair rail object. If you want to simplify it so that your rendering goes a bit faster, you can delete some of the vertices within it, like that. Because this is instanced into the chair rail object, the change that we just made here will be reflected in the swept object. Let's take a look at it. There you have it. It's smoothed out now in the middle.